So guys, yeah, I ordered this from Amazon, which came almost like after 1 week. And this is a thumb grip, I guess, and a little shutter button. Let me just open this for you. All right, I'll open it. Yes. Okay, there's it. Okay, mini X series logo from Fujifilm, and this is the main thing, which give you grip to your thumb. Let me just connect. Hold on, I'm just unboxing this. Okay, here it is. So you have to order this separately. It's not include inside the camera bag actually. Let me just do. It's very difficult doing unboxing with one hand actually. Okay, this one I guess. Yeah. All right. Okay, there you go. So you're gonna hold like this. Okay. It was very uncomfortable earlier without this actually, so it will help me to hold my camera very nicely and give you an amazing grip. And let me just connect the shutter button as well. Let me just unbox this as well. There is okay, there is something else, I think. Okay, got it. Hold on guys, camera is still on. Okay, there you go. I guess done. I'm not sure is it okay or not. Let me just check. So this is how this is gonna it work. Oh my god, camera is on.